Have you ever been in a situation where you have taken important photos or videos for a presentation you need to produce and then couldn't figure out how to get the digital media off your device and onto your computer? My name is Ammon Smith and I'm here to help.
When transferring media from one device to the next, we need to have the right stuff. In today's digital age, that can be difficult, knowing the difference between all of the different cables and adapters that are out. USB, micro USB, USB 3.0, SD card slot, micro SD, Thunderbolt, Lightning bolt. For today's lesson, you're going to need to have your Lightning cable, your power adapter along with your Mac and iPhone.
For today's instruction purposes, I will be discussing how to transfer digital media from an iPhone onto a Mac computer. In Module 2, I'll be discussing how this process is different for different devices. For Step 1, have your tools ready. That includes your Mac computer, your Lightning cable, your iPhone, and your Mac power cable. And you will need to make sure that your Mac power cable is plugged into the wall. A modern iPhone uses what's called a Lightning cable, as you can see here. This small end connects onto the end of a modern iPhone, as you can see here. This is an iPhone 6 Plus. For Step 2, we're going to be connecting our iPhone to a USB cable on our Mac. Shabam! The magic's about to start happening. One of the great things about the Mac is that whenever you connect an iPhone, as you can see happening here, it will automatically launch the iPhoto application, which is the default software on any Mac computer. As you can see here, my most recent photo has populated, and I am given the option to import the photo. So we're going to select Import, and then it's going to give me the choice if I want to keep that photo or not. I'm going to choose to keep it. By default, it is automatically going to move that image into my last import file, or I can then take it and move it into a file of my choice if I want to. And shabam! The magic just happened. After transferring media from the iPhone to the Mac, it is essential that you properly disconnect the device from your computer to ensure that you do not corrupt any of your data. This will be our fourth step. To do this, you need to come down and select the iTunes icon. If the iPhone is not selected, you'll need to select the iPhone icon here. This will display your iPhone information. You'll need to select this disconnect arrow here. It is now safe for you to be able to remove your iPhone from your computer without corrupting your data. You are now well on your way to being able to successfully access digital media transferred from your iPhone onto your Mac computer. I look forward to reviewing with you ways that this process differs with different devices in the future. But until then, thank you for joining me and making the magic happen.